donkey? I have a thorn in my foot and it hurts so bad. I can help you if I eat you now. It will be...
Assalamualaikum teman-teman. Sebelum lanjut nonton video aku, teman-teman jangan lupa subscribe dulu ya. Dan jangan lupa nonton video terbaru aku yang diupload setiap hari Sabtu ya. Biar teman-teman tidak ketinggalan video terbaru aku. Jangan lupa di like juga ya, biar aku tambah semangat. Hehehe. Oke, langsung nonton aja.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Aleyna. I am the first grade of ALAZHARSRIWIJAYA. Today I gonna read you a story about the wolf and the donkey. Let me tell you. A long, long time ago, there was a wolf in a jungle. And the wolf didn't manage to catch anything to eat. But he was so hungry. He's around the forest. He saw a donkey. The wolf crept up silently behind the donkey. But the donkey noticed him. He knew those scary wolves can run faster than him. But the donkey cannot escape by running. So the donkey have an idea to save his life. So the donkey pretend her foot is hurt. And he start to cry in pain. And the scary wolf asked the donkey why he was crying. What happened, donkey? I have a thorn in my foot and it hurts so bad. I can help you if I eat you now. It will be stop hurting. That's a great idea, but if you eat me now with my thorn, it will be stuck in your throat. But if you remove the thorn first and then you eat me second, it will be just fine. Wolf didn't know the donkey's plan. The wolf thinks it's a great idea. And the wolf agreed to take the thorn out. And the donkey is waiting the wolf bend over. And the donkey is kicked the wolf until they fell down and they never wake up anymore. The donkey is run away fast as he could and is saved from eating by a wolf. A little wisdom can do a miracle. Okay everyone, that's all the story about the donkey and the wolf. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe ALAZHAR SRIWIJAYA YouTube channel.